They say life isn't measured by the milestones, but by the quiet moments in between. Lately, I've been reminding myself that true elegance and true comfort isn't about grand gestures or total overhauls. It's all in the little things. Today, I'm sharing a few simple, effortless ways I'm elevating my daily routine and my home. From a quick beauty secret that makes me feel instant confidence to a small detail that completely transformed our bedroom. So grab something warm to drink, my friends, and let's get cozy. Hi there, sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Karen, and this morning we enjoyed such a beautiful day. We woke up and I had some tea. I cut some flowers from my flower garden. We went to our local bakery and picked up a few goodies. Took a nice, beautiful drive through our quaint little town, and now I'm showered. We're back home. And I am so excited to share with you guys. There's something I've been wanting to, an additional thing I wanted to add to our bedroom. And well, it finally arrived, and well, come on in. I'll show you what's happening today. If you guessed that we are finally adding curtains to our bedroom, you guessed right. Yes, it's actually happening. I'm so excited. My sweet husband is doing the honors and getting all the rods set up for me. And to be completely honest with you, it has taken us many years to finally make a decision on curtains for this space. And I am always so particular about the details. So I'm glad we finally made this choice. Even just seeing the fabric go up, I can tell you it's going to completely soften and enhance this whole room. Cannot wait to see the finished product. I'm going to sit down here in just a second and tell you more about this wonderful company and all the details. So here it is, all done behind me. Look at how pretty it looks. I have to tell you, does it ever elevate the room? I feel like something so simple as adding curtains, and we've been in this house for, 16 years, and now are finally adding curtains to our bedroom. And I've been really wanting to warm up the room and elevate the room, and these are absolutely perfect. Mark said they were so easy to hang. He said by far these were the easiest to install. And I'm going to tell you, friends, the packaging, everything came like white glove. It was absolutely perfect. I was so impressed from the beginning to the end, from the packaging to unpacking it, and actually for Mark to obviously put it all up for me. And the touch and feel of the curtains, I'm going to show you a little bit closer. I do want to thank FreShine for actually sponsoring this portion of today's video, friends, because when they reached out, and at first we were thinking about maybe our home office, and then I thought, wait a minute, I've been wanting to add curtains to our bedroom for so many years. Let's do that. So what I did is I sent them a picture, and they were so helpful in helping me decide and pick what I wanted as far as the curtain, the type of curtain. The measuring was so simple. You actually go online, it tells you specifically how to measure everything, send pictures and everything. I cannot begin to tell you how they were so helpful through every step. And then of course, once it showed up, it was so simple for my husband to hang. I love how they look. So this specific curtain, and I do have it written down because I don't want to mess it up in case you're interested in this specific style, but this one is the Kaelara Tactile Basketweave linen, and it's a cotton blend curtain, and it's structural drapes with natural warmth. And I have to agree, it adds so much warmth here to my home. Also, when they are all drawn, which I don't do often because I love them just the way they are, it really helps block out the light. And sometimes though, I have to say, during the day when you just have a headache or not feeling well, it's so nice that you don't have to worry about even just closing the blinds. You can see the light, but this really helps keep it nice and cozy here in the bedroom. So let's take a little closer look and let me show you how beautiful these are. Okay, friends, first of all, they're just absolutely gorgeous. So these provide like 40 to 50% light blocking, which is super nice. I'm gonna close these here in a minute just so you can see, but I hope you can see close up how stunning this material is. And also the fact that these are custom, and I did not say that here just a minute ago, these are custom curtains. So they customize these specifically for my bedroom. And that's what I love most about these. I'm going to show you how they open and close here. So we chose to have the tabs that are behind, but you can have the rings, and actually they come with the rings too. At least ours did. Once I have this, and you can see we do have a bigger here of a bed frame. So that's why I'm probably going to keep them open a lot. But again, when I am not feeling good, you better believe these babies are going to be closed. And I think even that in itself, once I would have them obviously nicely here put together with all the pretty pleats, just at how absolutely gorgeous these curtains are. The material is just such high quality. I ran out the door so fast, I forgot to film. So anyway, I am outside of our grocery store. Tonight, Mark and I are going to head to our friend's house in Cleveland. And they have a chef coming to cook Italian for us tonight. So I'm very excited about that. So I do want to take some fresh flowers and a bottle of wine. And I need a birthday card for our friend because his birthday is coming up. And I normally go to, Faux Doors and for my flowers, but I totally forgot to go yesterday. So we're gonna have to go into the grocery store and hope I can find something pretty. And my flowers in my flower garden aren't growing as big as they were last year, but I know it's still quite early on in the season. So I've got nothing there to cut except for the little ones that I just put in our bedroom. So let's head in and get some wine, get some flowers, and then I'll show you whatever I'm gonna wear tonight as far as an outfit. So I'm really looking forward to seeing this group of friends. We love being around them. They are so much fun, and I'm just looking forward to spending some time with them today. To you, another quick update. I wanted a rug that just was a little bit softer here for our kitchen. So I just added a simple new runner, and I really love the colors of it. As you can see here, it matches like the vibe of my blues and the greens, and it's just perfect. It's a little bit wrinkly from shipping, but all in all, I really do like it. Again, it's all in the simple things. Because I went to the grocery store, and Faux Doors, where I always get my flowers, they had them there at Giant Eagle. They had a little section like locally grown. So I was able to get my flowers, a nice bottle of wine, a birthday card for a friend. And so now I'm going to go ahead and change real quick before we go to our friends for dinner. But a couple things that I have been loving and I wanted to share with you. And I think ever since I darkened my hair, I've been really liking red lipstick, and this is one that I have on today. It's actually a lip balm, and it's by Violet, I think, FJR. I'm sorry, I don't have my glasses with me. So this is it. You can see it's a real pretty red balm, and the more you put on, like, it's hard to see because I really can't see. It just gives it a little more color, so you can build on it a little bit. So I have been loving this. It's just a simple way of adding a red color that you don't have to worry about it bleeding, into the fine lines and wrinkles around your mouth. It's also a lip balm. It's that kind of French look. If you look at magazines of all the French women and they got that beautiful red lip that looks so perfect, this is it. This is so, so nice. And a lot of times I'll pair it with a red lip liner. This one is from Urban Decay. I've had this for quite a while. I'm not even quite sure if this color is still available, but sometimes I do like to line it with this one. So again, just that simple kind of look, a way of adding that beautiful red lippy. Also, because I've darkened my hair, my grays are showing a little bit quicker at times, and I like to put like a root touch up on in between when I get it colored. And this is new by Tarte. And oh my gosh, friends, this is the best one so far I've used for a root touch up. And so here it is. And the color's inside here. This is the dabber, so it gets the color from in here when you close it. And then I'm trying to see, I can't really see, but you dab it on your root. And it's also waterproof. And ever since going through menopause, I was losing a lot of hair right here too, but ever since I started using the Dr. Groot shampoo, my hair is growing. Those spots are all filling back in again, but still sometimes I feel like I've got a little kind of gap. So I like to just put this on there and it just fills it in so nicely. This stuff is fantastic and it comes in so many different shades. So I really, really like this a lot. And you guys know years ago we went to Italy, and my favorite spot when we were in Italy was Positano. And I found this beautiful art here. Look at how gorgeous this is. This is, oh my gosh, my favorite spot in Positano. I know when Mark and I looked, we were on our balcony and we looked out and we saw the mountain with all the beautiful homes on it. I literally wept because I was so excited to be there. And when I found this, I love it. And I want to put it, I'm thinking in our bedroom, on my wall where my vanity is, so I can just look at it every day for inspiration, knowing that that was like one of my most favorite vacations with my husband. And I want to get back there again someday, so it's like kind of my motivator too. And I like this, you know, adding a simple little piece of art to add just to a room, to just give it that new kind of vibe, that look of something you really love and you're passionate about. And I found, like I said, I found this and it's just so beautiful. And so I'm really excited to find the perfect frame to put this in. So I wanted to share that. Also, I've always been the biggest fan of the Bella Grace magazines. You guys have known that if you watch my channel. And I think the way to just really simplify life and to enhance it is just getting some great ideas. And this one is A Romanticized Life Bella Grace. And I ordered this a while back and it came last week, and I've been so excited. I cannot wait to look through this. Not only do I love the Bella Grace magazines, but I like them because they're so beautiful. To use them as a coffee table book, they're elegant. So this one I can't wait to read because, oh my goodness, okay, let me see. I'm trying to read this without my glasses. 25 Signs You're Building a Beautiful Life. Can't wait to read that. The blue hour. Interesting. I can't wait to see what that means. The next one is A Fleeting Romance with Summer. Okay. I can't wait to, again, dig into all this. Solo Date Reimagined. And this one is How to Elevate Everyday Errands. So I cannot wait to read this, and I'm sure I'll be sharing some of these in future videos. I'm curious to see what elevating, romanticizing, is that what the word was? Oh, how to elevate everyday errands. Well, we're gonna see what that's all about too. But all in all, the magazines are so wonderful by Bella Grace. I have gotten these issues for years and years. I have the one in her garden, I think it's called that, and love that one too. They have one that's like kind of DIYs and stuff like that. So anyway, I love this magazine. If you guys have ever bought it after I've talked about it, let me know in the comment section. I think a lot of you have become fans of the Bella Grace magazines because I've shared them for so many years. Oh, one of my other favorite issues is the cozy issue. Oh, that comes in the winter time, which I love. But in the meantime, we're going to romanticize summer because it is summer and it's officially summer, and we're going to embrace and enjoy every moment of it. So these are some of the things that I've been enjoying, little kind of things to simplify life a little bit. In the meantime, though, I'm looking at my watch. I've got to get moving. We have to be out the door in 15 minutes. I have no idea what I'm wearing to our friends tonight. So let me dig in my closet and see what I can come up with. All right, so Mark and I are gonna head out tonight. I wanted to show you my outfit. I've got a quince linen long dress on, it's sleeveless, with this really pretty lobster sweater, I think from J. Crew, and my Montauk tote, and these cute little shoes that I shared with you guys before from Amazon. So let me back you up so I can show you the whole outfit. Okay, here it is. I love that this dress has pockets too. It's perfect. Perfect for the summer. Love the sweater. And I love this tote. This has been around, I think I shared with you guys, since like, I don't know, the late 1990s. And to me, it's like Nantucket, and it reminds me of the Hamptons. Anyway, I just love this vibe. It's really pretty and it's perfect for the summertime. Well, good morning, friends. Obviously, it is the next day, and I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog, and I'm so sorry that it's gonna be super, super short. My dad is not doing very well, and I'm gonna be getting on a plane here to go down to Florida and be with family. I don't know how long I'm gonna be down there. I don't know when another video is going to come out. I do have some commitments to some collaborations that I'm trying to film, and you may be seeing a montage maybe too of some past videos that I maybe put together for the next week. I just don't know, my friends. So gonna be difficult. So anyway, I'm so sorry. I don't like to end videos like this, but thank you all for your love and support, and I'm hoping to be back here soon. I don't know when. It could be sooner than later, or I don't know. I just don't know. But anyway, I love you all so very much, and I hope that you all are enjoying your summer. Have a blessed 4th of July weekend, and know that I love and appreciate all of you so very much. And well, I'll see you when I see you, okay, friends? Bye-bye.